Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fort Wayne, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm with Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, and today we're focusing on railing materials and how they affect both safety and long-term maintenance. Railings do an important job. They keep people from falling, guide movement on stairs, and frame the edge of your deck. They also take a beating from weather, sun, and hands touching them every day. So the material you choose for your railings has a big impact on how they look and how much work they need over the years. Let's start with wood railings. Wood is common and can look good when it's new and freshly painted or stained. It's also easy to work with and can match a wood deck. But wood railings require regular maintenance. Sun, rain, and snow break down the finish. Paint peels, stain fades, and the wood can split or rot if it's not protected often enough. If you don't mind scraping and repainting or restaining every few years, wood can still be an option, but you need to be realistic about the work involved. Metal railings, like aluminum or steel systems, solve some of those problems. They can be powder-coated to resist rust and fading, and they hold their shape well over time. Metal railings often have slimmer profiles, which means better views from the deck to the yard. They still need occasional cleaning and inspection at the fasteners, but you're not sanding and painting them the way you would with wood. Composite railing systems are another strong option, especially when you pair them with composite decking. These systems use materials designed to handle weather and sun without peeling. They don't need painting or staining, and they often come with matching posts, top rails, and balusters. Many are designed to work with composite decking brands like Trex, so the colors and finishes line up cleanly between the deck surface and the railing. When we choose railing materials with homeowners, we look at three things: how much maintenance they're willing to do, what style they prefer, and what their local conditions are like. If you want a traditional look and you're okay with regular maintenance, wood might still be fine. If you'd rather do the least amount of upkeep and still have a solid, clean look, composite or metal is usually the better fit. Regardless of the material, railings must be built to code. Post spacing, connection hardware, and how the railing ties into the deck framing all matter. A strong material still needs strong installation. That means proper brackets, bolts, and blocking where posts attach. At Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, we design and install railing systems that fit the way you want to use your deck and how much maintenance you want to handle. You can reach our team at 260-254-7979 or visit toughdeckbuildersfortwayne.com if you'd like help choosing a railing system that stays safe and good-looking with less work over the years. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fort Wayne. The right railing material can save you time and keep your deck looking solid for a long time. We'll see you on the next episode.